Annyeonghaseyo, Anjali.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Musta man Inday? Okay. Di mo kagikan.
Nagklase.
Nagklase mo karon? Sige. So, kadiyot ra niya. So, I'm here to deliver 1,000 pesos for your school supplies. Okay ra? School supplies na niya. And that is from JS Nim.
JS name, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Guchel.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kuya Rex.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the 2,000 pesos personal funds for Generous, and you teacher will make a ledger for her personal fund and transfer it individually. Okay, for Generous. Okay, and it is from Ichangunim.
Ichangunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, for Generous.
Okay, bye bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. So, I suggest to rearrange for the drink is cold brew and for the food is nicey. It's a footlong or a hamburger. So, let's buy. Las Vegas 님, 감사합니다. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Ili.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Earlier, Ichangunim gives you 100 for ice cream. This one. What can you say?
Ichangunim, thank you for the ice cream.
감사합니다. 바이바이.
안녕하세요, Mermaid.
안녕하세요. 김윤수님 감사합니다. For the milk tea.
Attention!
안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo. Please sit down.
Thank you, teacher Michael.
Annyeonghaseyo, Christine.
안녕하세요.
Si Christine, what grade are you now?
9 but coming grade 10.
Okay. So, Christine, you will join the study room here in San Carlos New Village. Okay, so Christine, I have a question for you. 10 questions about multiplication. Nakasabot?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. 7 times 8.
56.
3 times 7.
21.
6 times 4.
24.
5 times 9.
45.
8 times 4.
32.
6 times 7.
42.
9 times 4.
36.
8 times 9.
72.
6 times 8.
48.
9 times 7.
63.
Okay, very good, Christine.
Sana hindi ka manggana? Hindi na pa mo manguli? Buslot na yun. Chill pa mo, diba? Bangag na lang ko. Masud ka, diba, ate yan? Nakagamay ka. Ang nalang mo ka na naniinak na ano. Wala ka nalibang. Inom mo water after ninyo kauna na ha. Hindi na mo mahilisan kay it's already evening. Ha? Sakit na yung tiyan. Before mo matulog mo inom mo. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.